Hey beauty lovers! Have you ever wanted to infuse the wild beauty of nature into your makeup routine? Today, we're diving into a Fossa-inspired eye look that's bold, earthy, and super easy to recreate. Fossas are fascinating, exotic creatures with stunning fur colors that can truly inspire our makeup choices. Incorporating elements of nature into our beauty routines adds a fun twist and lets us express our creativity. Plus, who wouldn't want to feel a little wild and adventurous? 1. Let's kick things off with colors. The Fossa's fur features beautiful earthy tones like browns, blacks, and a hint of gold, perfect for adding depth and drama to your eye look. 2. You don't need to be a makeup pro to nail this look. A couple of eyeshadow techniques, like blending and layering, will help you achieve that gorgeous, Fossa-inspired vibe. Remember, blending is key. 3. Grab an earthy eyeshadow palette filled with rich, warm tones. Think warm browns, soft taupes, and a shimmery gold for a touch of sparkle. These colors reflect the Fossa's fur and will bring your nature-inspired look to life. 4. Start by applying a lighter shade all over your eyelid. Then, use a medium brown in your crease for definition. Finish with a deeper brown on the outer corner for a bold effect, and don't forget to highlight your inner corner with gold. 5. A little mascara can make a big difference. It enhances your beautiful eyes and ties the whole look together. For an extra touch, consider adding a subtle line along your lash line. Be careful not to overdo it with dark colors, they can make your look appear muddy. Always start with lighter shades and build up gradually. And remember to blend for a smooth finish. And there you have it. A Fossa-inspired eye look that's easy to create and perfect for any occasion. So why not give it a shot? Share your Fossa-inspired creations with us, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun beauty tips. Hey everyone! Are you ready to unleash your creativity with a stunning eye look inspired by the exotic Fossa? Today, we're exploring earthy tones that celebrate this unique animal and make your eyes truly pop. Using colors inspired by nature in your makeup can elevate your overall look. The Fossa, with its rich browns and warm yellows, provides perfect inspiration for a bold eye design. Embracing these tones is a fun way to express your personal style while connecting with the beauty of the natural world. 1. The Fossa boasts beautiful fur in deep browns and warm ochres. These earthy shades can enhance your eye color beautifully and draw attention without feeling overwhelming. 2. Look for a palette featuring chocolate brown, soft taupe, and sunny gold. These versatile colors are ideal for adding depth and dimension to your eyelids. 3. Blending is key. Start with a lighter base shade all over your lids, then apply darker shades in the crease. This technique creates a soft gradient effect, much like the Fossa's fur. 4. Want to elevate your look? Consider adding a hint of shimmer in the inner corners of your eyes. A touch of gold or bronze will mimic the Fossa's striking features and make your eyes sparkle. 5. Don't forget to line your eyes with dark eyeliner for definition. Finish with a few coats of mascara to really make those eyes stand out. Be cautious not to use too much product. Overdoing it with eyeshadow can weigh down the look. Also, remember to blend well. Harsh lines can detract from the soft, natural effect we're aiming for. And there you have it, your Fossa-inspired eye look is complete. Give these tips a try and transform your makeup game. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun beauty ideas. Let's get creative together. Hey there, beauty lovers. Have you ever thought about drawing makeup inspiration from an exotic animal? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of fossa fur to create a stunning bold eye look using earthy tones. Let's bring a touch of nature into our makeup bags. So, why choose the fossa? This unique creature from Madagascar boasts beautiful fur colors that are perfect for warm, earthy eye looks. By taking cues from nature, we can create makeup that's not just striking but also a fun way to express our creativity. 1. Fossa fur features rich browns, warm tans, and deep ochres. These versatile shades can help you achieve a bold eye look that flatters every skin tone. 2. Look for palettes that highlight earthy tones. Shades like burnt sienna, terracotta, and soft taupe beautifully mimic the natural hues of fossa fur, giving you that wild yet sophisticated vibe. 3. Start with a neutral base to let those earthy tones pop. Use a fluffy brush to apply the lighter shades across your eyelid, then switch to a smaller brush for the darker shades in the crease. Be sure to blend well for a seamless finish. 4. To elevate your bold eye look, consider using dark brown or soft black eyeliner. This will define your eyes without overpowering that gorgeous earthy palette. 5. Don't forget to highlight. A soft, shimmery shade on the inner corners can brighten your